we make an aeroplane. Look to this. This video will help you. So first you have a piece of paper and then you fold it in half like this. Fold it in half. Very, very easy. And step 2 is you fold it out. And then step 3 is you fold these down in the middle where the line is. Right here. You have to fold it down to the line. Like this, in the middle of the line. Okay, now you fold it again, but a different way. You fold it all the way like here, but it's a different way. You fold the whole thing. Then this is what it should look like now. So you fold the other side. And then this is the most trickiest part, but it's quite easy. But it's the trickiest part. I mean, it's not tricky, but it's the hardest part. It's not tricky. So you fold it like this, and then like this. It has to be looking like this. And then do the same with the other, with step 4. And then you do this again. Like this. It should look like this. And then you fold the other part, but you have to keep it down, this part down. So you fold it over like this, and then you fold the other piece where the thing is. Or no. And there you go. You have a paper aeroplane. Let's see if it can fly, but you can fold this if you want, like this. Like this. Fold it in there, or you could just keep it like this. I'm gonna go like here because it won't take much damage much. So let's try out. Come on. Oh no, it might turn off. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day. Should we do episode 5? Bye bye. We're gonna do episode 5 today again. We're gonna make another paper airplane. Bye. Yay.